Cisco just released a free AI training that lets you learn generative AI and earn professional badges, and I will show you how to enroll before it expires. Welcome to KinspireTech, where we fix, learn and build tech solutions for everyday people. If you want to learn AI skills for free and boost your career, then I presume this video is for you. Business today wants professional who understands artificial intelligence, not just theory but real world application. Cisco just released 2 free AI learning paths to help people gain in-demand AI skills. Cisco is offering 2 powerful learning tracks. One is actually the Cisco AI Technical Practitioner for technical and IT professionals, and the second one is Cisco AI Business Practitioner for business leaders and decision makers. This course will help you learn generative AI concepts, apply AI in real business, in Credly badges to add to your LinkedIn and CV, and even take a certification exam after completion. So let me show you how to get started. I'll be registering for the Cisco Technical Practitioner run, and I'll also be dropping this link in the description section of the video below for you to actually register. So when you click on the link I'll be dropping, it will direct you to, okay, let's do this way. I'll be dropping this link. When you click on this link, I'll be dropping this link, so it directs you to where you have access to the 2 courses visible on the platform. You can see the 2 courses. They are selected by default. They are free learning paths, so the 2 of them are free. So this is actually it, and you have the Cisco AI Business Practitioner and the Cisco AI Technical Practitioner. I'll be registering for this one. I'll be showing you how to register. The same applies for the other one. So when you come over here, then what you do is you click here to sign in for free. So when you click on it to sign in for free, then I'm gonna log in. I have my login details already. I'll click on it, enter my authentication and click next. And over here I'll click to select my password, verify, and I'm signing in. So that's just it takes. But for those that are not want to go the longer route, what you just need to do is you go to Cisco website, you scroll down, you go to cisco.u website, which is actually u.cisco.com. so u.cisco.com. when you go to u.cisco.com, you actually create a Cisco account here for free. So you can actually create an account, which I've signed in already, but you can actually create an account. When you have done that, over here you see the 2 courses displayed. But if you don't see it here, you can go to the search bar and search for AITECH or AIBIZ. Then you pick the learning path you want and you start your lesson. But since I've done that already, you can see that I have actually joined. You can see my initials here. I'll just click on got it, and right away I'll start learning. Click here, you can see that I have started. The first part is free, but you can see that I have started. All the things are free for me. You can see the different parts: optimizing generative AI and also advanced generative AI skills, AI in software engineering. You can see all other ones. So you have the courses have started, so I'll go back to my learning part. When I start learning, I think I should be starting from the first one. Take the pre-assessment test, then you move to the next one. Then after your learning, you take the post-assessment test and you continue all done here. So who is this training for? This training is perfect for any student that is learning an AI proof skills, an IT professional, a software developer, a business owner, someone switching careers into tech. So this is for you. So by completing all these courses over here, you have enough AI knowledge. You also have Cisco backed badges and also career credibility and an edge in job applications. The AI is not replacing people, like people have been saying. Some people have been saying AI is going to take their job. It's not replacing anybody, but people who understand AI will replace those who don't. This is your chance to upskill for free. If you want more of tech free videos like this or free tech learning opportunities like this, subscribe to KinspireTech. Comment AI if you want me to review more free AI courses. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.